Hey guys, welcome to Affiliate Marketing 101 Day 3 Challenge. And today I'm going to teach you how to apply for different affiliate marketing websites and programs as well as get approved quickly so that you can take your first step into this affiliate marketing business. So let's dive right into it. So first off, I'm going to talk about how you need to set up ClickBank, and I'm going to give you a tour on what needs to be done and how you have to navigate your affiliate marketing website properly so that you choose your affiliate marketing products as well as you make commissions with high converting products, and you have to identify that first. So let's dive right into it. So first off, I'm going to talk about ClickBank. This is the top number one affiliate marketing program website that's in the world right now. It's ranked one. So this one is if you type into Google ClickBank, the first link you click on that, and that's going to be this one. This is the home page that you see. You have to click on create new account, and when you click on create new account, you would be given all the necessary details that need to be filled up, like your name, your address, your phone number, your email ID, as well as your banking information. So this means that whenever you make a commission, they would transfer that amount as a threshold. It starts with $10 also. So when you make $10 minimum of $10 with this website, they would transfer the whole amount to your bank account directly. So this is worldwide. It's not generic to any specific state, country, or anything like that. So you can use this anywhere. Even if you stay in Mars, you can do this. So jokes apart, you have to sign up with all the necessary details, your bank details, as well as your account information. And after that, I'm going to show you what needs to be done. So after you sign up with your necessary information and details, you would be transferred to this page. This page is where all the magic happens. You can see from the left hand corner all these tabs that are specific to category. So if you are into arts and entertainment, you can choose this one. If you're into cooking, food niche, you can do that. The most profitable three niche markets are basically e-business, that is online money making business, health and fitness, as well as the food niche. So these three are the best ones, and recently due to cryptocurrency and Bitcoin, so betting system and business and investing are the second most or the third most options right now. So start making your campaigns while searching for this. So if, say for example, I'm going into money making, I'm into money making niche. So I'll click on this one, and all the tabs would be opened. So before that, if you don't know what you are going to go for and you just want to go through all the categories and find the right product for you, and you need to decide which one to go, a cool trick is that in that page, in that home page, you would see find products. Just, you don't have to click anywhere, you just click on the search option, and that's it. You would see all the relevant offers that are going on, the top ranking offers that are going right now, and people are making money with this offers. So you can see from the first list, it's flat belly fix, so that is in the health niche. This one is the in numerologist niche, that is hand astrology and something like that. This one is dating niche. So you can this one is in health niche. I've found quite profitable with this niche, health niche. So you can try different niches and find your products as well as what you want to promote. You have to look for like this gravity. Gravity means like total number of people that are trying to promote this offer, and at least they have made one single sale in this particular week, in this week. So that means that 141 people are trying to promote this offer and they have made one single sale, at least one single sale. So if one person makes uh, $34 from this one, $35 to be exact, if one single person makes $35, that means it's counted as one gravity. If that same person makes 100 sales and makes like $3,500, that would be also considered as one single gravity. So this means that 141 people are trying to promote this offer. So you have to um, find like you don't think like this is a competitive niche, so I'm not going to go through that. That is not true. So you can promote this offer and find success with this also. And if you don't know like which niche you want to target, that is the main reason for this one. There are key factors that need to be considered. This one is average dollar per sale. That means you are not going to make $34. This is the average sale that each and every, sometimes you might see, say for example this one, take this numerologist offer. It's saying average sale is 27.30. That means you are thinking like you are going to make $27.30, right? But that's not true. You have to look down below initial sale. That means when you are first sending traffic and people purchase through your link, you would get this one, $23 and 14 cents. So this one is totally different from average sale. Average sale is like the total average of the mean value, but initial sale means what you are initially going to get after you make a sale. As simple as that. So that is that $23. Average rebill means this has a program that is on a recurring basis. If people sign up for that recurring basis, you would get some amount from this one, average rebill total. So that's rounding up to $25. So you can expect monthly payment of $25 in addition to initial sale. So that is that. So and if you want to promote the offer, you just click on the promote button. You type in your nickname, what you want to, it would already be registered if you log in. So the login user ID is going to be your nickname, and for the tracking ID it is different. So let me just explain what is this tracking ID. Tracking ID is to track where from the sale has occurred. See for example, this comes handy when you are using funnel system with promoting offers. So I'm going to teach you in the next upcoming weeks, like third week or fourth week, how you can implement this with Facebook advertisement as well. So in a nutshell, if you want to learn what is tracking ID, tracking ID is basically to help you understand or identify from which location you made the sale, from which platform you made the sale. For example, if I'm promoting this numerologist offer on Google, I would type in GL or anything Google related, so that I can identify that this promotion I got the sale from Google advertisement. If I'm doing YouTube, I'll put YT. So that means I got the sale from YouTube. If I'm doing Facebook, don't write a huge lengthy word like I got this sale from this here. Don't try to write that, because these IDs are going to be seen by when you are promoting the website. The link will contain these IDs. So you have to be very careful about using this. Other than that, you can put anything in that, and you can just cloak the link and make it look beautiful. I will teach that later on. I'll teach you about that later on. So that is all I have for how navigating through the affiliate offers. This one is gravity. I already told gravity about that, average sale, initial sale. You can set different things from here also. Like if you are trying to make, if you set like I want to make $30 initial sale, you can get those offers that have $30 as initial sale or more than that. So you can start with that. Next is max bounty. If you type in Google maxbounty.com, you would find like there are a lot of offers, CPA offers. Max Bounty, this one is you can hop in right away. It won't ask you for anything, verification or anything like that. But for Max Bounty, you have to be verified. They would one representative would call you and ask you to describe like how much you are getting traffic, or how will you promote these offers from their platform. So that is quite tough job, but the thing is I'll teach you how you can get approved in Max Bounty without even having any website, without even having any traffic. I did that. It's quite working fine for me. It's not a problem. You have to log in, you have to create your account, and one, basically you would get one manager who's going to affiliate manager for your purpose only, and he or she would be the sole contact person. If you have any doubt related to that, you will get his or her phone number, you would get his or her email ID and Skype ID also. So you can contact him or her and ask her like which offers are getting more sales right now in this month, and they would provide you those list of offers. The only catch is that they are provided to you just for one reason. They are going to make a percentage cut commission from each sale you make. So that is why they will try their level best to make sure you get a sale from your offers, from your promotion. So they would provide you all the guidance, all the, it's like a mentor. You are getting a live mentor for promoting affiliate offers. So that is it, guys. I have already taught you about like how to navigate affiliate offers. So I hope to see you in my next video, and we'll talk about how you can implement these offers into your affiliate websites, or even if you don't have website, how to use them and promote and make sales. So that is all for today, and I'm hoping to see you tomorrow.